Bro, can you teach me some chords?
What do you want to record? There's a different kind of words.
Any kind of chords.
Oh, be specific. What kind of song do you want? What's your favorite song?
Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Movie?
Yeah!
Oh, it's seamless. There are different kinds of chords aiming from A.
Oh, that's A?
A.
Yeah.
Next is B. Here are the circle and the word.
Oh, the circle and the straight one.
Now remember, this is the C.
The C?
This is D.
The D?
The F.
The F?
The E.
The E?
The F.
The F?
And the G.
Yeah!
Oh, diba? Remember?
From the top?
A. B.
Yeah.
C. D. E. F. G.
Is that the chord?
No! That's
Oh.
the different kinds of chords.
Okay.
Here's the chords of the song you want.
Okay.
What
Can I sit in front of you?
yeah. No, here only. Can you remove that? Remove it from your Here's the chord.
You play.
F,
F.
D minor,
D minor.
B flat,
B flat.
and C.
And C.
Why know what is called B flat?
I don't know.
Because here is B,
Yeah?
and when you move the flat means move it one step to the left. So here,
Oh.
B flat. Oh, here's the chord. F, D minor, B, C. Say it again.
F. D minor. Ang dali lang. C.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice lyrics.
Oh, you will sing, huh?
Looking in her eyes, I can see a paradise. Love that I found seems to be true.
It's that you want so much to
This love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Oh, now you.
They say it's crazy. Don't give it back. Your head in my hand, baby. Don't ever look back. The world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it if we're heart to heart.
Oh, sing it, right.
And we can build this dream together. Steady, strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Wala na kita. This world runs out of lovers. We'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop.
Bigyan mo nga ng mga barya to.
Oh, that's all the lyrics and
Bigyan mo sila ng barya. Magpasalamat. Salamat.